Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm telling you about another problem that I've had with my Discovery 5. I've owned this car for about 2.5 years now, and I've had my fair share of problems with it during that time. The first one, and probably most significant I had, was the fact that I needed a new engine put in the car because the engine block ended up cracking. I did do a video on that, and actually it's not that much of an uncommon problem that people have had with the 2-litre engine in the D5. So during the whole time I've owned this car, I've always had a bit of an issue with the battery, and it's always flashed up with low battery warning on the dash. It seemed to happen intermittently for about, I would say, 12 to 18 months. Whenever I've taken it to Land Rover for a service, they've always charged it and just said, yeah, you know, it's got a lot of stuff on it. This is the HSE Luxury, so it's got the TVs in the back, the heated, the cool seats, and that can sometimes drain the battery if you're doing a lot of short journeys. Now, I don't particularly do a lot of short journeys, but still, obviously, it's an issue that I've had with my car. Now, in the last probably week or so, it hasn't been saying low battery, but what I've noticed is the volume has been getting stuck at 8. And it hasn't been able to go up or down. In fact, there's no volume at all, just the dial stuck at 8, and you can't move it, you can't hear anything. Done some research, does seem to be that could be a bit of a battery glitch, but I've also read that the electronics in the Discovery 5 can sometimes play up a little bit, so I don't know which the problem it was. So I left it, thought it'd kind of get better, been busy at work. And then I woke up this morning, came to unlock the car, and as you can see, doesn't work. So I can only assume the battery's completely died, which is just out of the blue really. It hasn't been warning me of low battery for the last month or so, even though it had previously. So I can guess the battery's completely dead. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is having a look into that, hopefully trying to fix it myself and get that sorted. Now, if you don't follow the channel, I'm a complete beginner at all of this. I really have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to cars. So for me, this is completely new. So I'm going to try and fix my car today, and I usually work on my Defender, which you can see right here, which is quite a simple car in a way. It doesn't have too many electronics on it or anything, and that's usually quite easy. So let's see how I get on with the Discovery 5. Let's hope it's a battery. I'm probably gonna go and get a new one and see if it works. The first thing to do is gonna be to find where the battery is and then try and change it, and then let's see if my problem has been fixed. So battery is completely dead. As always, when these sorts of things happen, it's hammering it down with rain. Take that off. And one of these ways, oh, there you go. Open the car. So inside, keys now in here, the electronic fob is here in the car, and then let's see, absolutely nothing. It is completely dead. Let's try. Nah, even the hazards aren't working either, so battery's completely dead. As I've got no idea where it is, I'm having a look in the manual, which again says replacing the vehicle battery should be done by qualified personnel, and you need some special tools apparently. So that's a bit difficult because I'm pretty much stranded on my drive at the moment. So I'm gonna have a look, and this car's not in warranty. It's about 5 months out of warranty. We have got the approved warranty, but I spoke to Land Rover this morning and they said that this is not a warranty issue, and it's something that I need to sort out myself basically. So I'm gonna give that a go now. So back home with the battery now, let's take a look in the bonnet and see if we can see where this is. Where is the battery going to go? That is where the jump points are on this side, so I imagine it's somewhere around there. Does not look like it though. So for those who don't know, the Discovery battery is found in the back right of the car with one of the fuse boards. Because this is all electric, the whole car, the boot is shut, I can't open it, and I've had to climb through from the front to get down to here. So we're gonna take the battery out, swap it with our new battery, and let's see if that solves the problem. So finally managed to get the battery out. It was so tight compared to working on my Defender. This is a whole different level of getting things out. So this is the battery that I've got, so I'm gonna be changing it to the new battery and seeing, what was that? Seeing if it makes a difference. Seeing if it actually works after doing that. Let's hope it does. So new battery, put it in, got the negatives connected. I've got the positives here. I've just touched them, hence why the alarm's going off, but let's try and put it in properly. So I'm going to put this on here. Okay. Very excited to say, new battery in, and it works perfectly. Now, if you're looking for all these batteries and you're watching this video because you're struggling with yours, This is the battery that starts the car. I had a lot of trouble trying to find which one it was because there's 2 batteries in a Discovery. But this is the only one I could find, and it was this one that I need to replace for a low battery, so this is the one to do. Now, car's on, car's started, all the electrics work. Nothing happened apart from the alarm came on when it first turned on, but you didn't have to reset it or anything. I've read a lot of stories around that, but it didn't seem to be the case. So if you need to replace your battery, this is how you do it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and found that useful. Managed to fix the car, which I'm very happy with. First time I've worked on my Discovery 5 really from an electronic technical point of view. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel right down here. Give me a like, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.